tell some lines about said about the Les Brown. Life has many limitations except the ones you make. Fears, lack of self-esteem and confidence is what the people don't make success in their lives. They don't do what they are capable of do things. The best powerful thing you can do is to align yourself with the people that encourage you, that are powerful for you, that can empower you, that can grow, that from where you can grow. That's very important. Never let the negativities, all the negativities by the world to disempower you, to discourage you even.
Okay, that's fine. Good. Thank you.